Hello, I'm Arran, and today I have 9 figures to review that I got over the last few months. And the first one I am going to review is the Green Ranger one, the Mighty Morphin Evil Green Ranger one. So this is the box for the Green Ranger, which again is a great box. Has the Green Ranger on the front there, you can see the figure. If I turn it around to the side, you can see part of the Green Ranger's shield and helmet. Same on the other side. And also if I flip it around to the back, it has an image shot of the Green Ranger, which I really like. And as you guys know, this is from the Mighty Morphin episode of series they did. It was a 5-part series called Green with Evil. And you can see the evil Tommy face there. Just before he turns evil, actually. And this figure looks absolutely fantastic. So let's get him out of the box, shall we? So this is the figure itself. Looks fantastic. I absolutely love it. All the paint on the shield is actually gold, which makes a change for Hasbro figures. Normally you have to paint the shields. Design on the boots is perfect. Helmet is perfect. Cuffs are perfect. The only issue I have, which a lot of people have kind of complained about this, which I'm going to hold it like that, is the diamond isn't painted underneath the shield. So I'm going to get my friend to do it. I know it's underneath the shield, but when it comes to the Green Ranger figures, I am severely OCD. And again, you can't really see it, but it's not got the diamond on the back either. The articulation on this figure is the same as the others, but because of the shield, like on the other Rangers with the shields, it is slightly restricted. But yeah, I absolutely love this figure. Probably my favourite Green Ranger figure they've ever released from Hasbro. And now let's move on to the accessories, which is the Sword of Darkness, which looks absolutely fantastic. Again, like all the Swords of Darkness do. Attention to detail is correct. The only issue is, which is quite difficult to do on this, or would be quite difficult to do on this, is the tassel. It's there, but it doesn't wiggle around. So unfortunately that's the downside. But yeah, still a great figure. And as you guys have seen, I actually have the full-size version of this. And now onto the Dragon Dagger, which is again great. Looks great. It is missing some paint. Not a lot, but it is missing some, so be prepared for that. And if you're good at painting, you can always paint the detail on. Or if you wanted to, you can get some vinyl stickers and make the detail and stick them on. For some reason, mine's a little bit bent on the handle, unfortunately. But it's only where it's in the packaging, and I'm sure if I heated it up, I could straighten it out. So I'll do that at some point. And probably my favourite piece on the accessories outside of the Sword of Darkness is the severed Tommy head, which looks fantastic. Has the ribbon round the side of his, or round his head. And this is from the first part of Grim with Evil, obviously, which when you first see JDF, he's got this ribbon round him and looks fantastic. And I think in one of the ears they even put an earring because he has his ears pierced. And here's the accessory, the effects piece that goes onto the Sword of Darkness, which again looks fantastic. One of the things I find with these accessories you get with particularly the Green Rangers and most of JDF's figures, they are a bit floppy, which I don't really like. If you've seen the season 2 Goldor figure, you'll know that the effects piece is really solid on that. But you can still use this. It's just that you have to sometimes be a bit sneaky with it. I mean, nothing a little blue tack won't help, which I have done on quite a few of my figures. And of course you get spare hands, 2 sets, one with an open hand, which I think might even be the one where he plays the Dragon Dagger. And a fist hand, which is also great. The only problem is I think they should have given you another fist hand, because in Mighty Morphin he doesn't always have the Dragon Dagger in his hand, so he doesn't always do this pose. So yeah, they should have given you another fist hand. And now let's move on to changing the head over, shall we? So here he is with the civilian head on and the Sword of Darkness in his hand and the effects piece on the sword. Dragon daggers in the holster. I will say that popping the heads off these figures is really difficult. Particularly this one I found. I actually had to get help with this one. Normally I can do them on my own, but this one I had to get help with. So, I'll switch it over and show you this. Well, not switch it over, I'll turn it sideways and show you how it looks from the side. And the other side. But yeah, my overall thoughts on this figure, I absolutely love it. Looks fantastic. Hasbro have nailed the shield and actually done it gold for a change. And even the Morpher's actually gold, which is really impressive. Because they don't normally do the Morpher gold either. It's normally a whitish grey, which has bugged a lot of people that it's not that colour. I know Mmpr Toys, he actually painted the belt on his previous Green Rangers, painted the Morpher. And that takes a lot of steady handwork and patience. But yeah, I love this figure. It looks fantastic. Helmet looks absolutely perfect. As you can see, it doesn't have the silver stripe on the top because it's not fighting spirit. But yeah, I love this figure. The one thing I want to say to Hasbro, particularly the design team, is I wish they painted the diamonds underneath the front of the shield and the back of the shield. That has annoyed a lot of people. I would say probably me and Mmpr Toys more than anyone, because me and Mmpr Toys are OCD over the Green Ranger figures. Well, he's OCD over every figure, but particularly the Green Ranger figures. And no, by the way, I'm just adding this in because I just want you to know this. No, I'm not getting asked to mention Mmpr Toys by him. I'm just mentioning him them because they're a great group of people, do great stuff on their vlog channel, Divided as One, and on Mmpr Toys, which is solely on Power Rangers / Super Sentai. Yeah, all in all, I think it's a fantastic figure. Absolutely love him. I've actually lost count on how many Green Ranger figures I have now. If I could make a franchise out of selling Green Ranger figures, I'd be a millionaire by now with the amount I have. So yeah, that's it for this review. Bye bye, and I'll see you later.